The CP is almost ready to take off. Do not continue to keep it a secret any longer. The pricing will never again be subject to our pressure. Ripple Van Winkle, a researcher in the field of cryptocurrency, made the announcement to their community of 108,000 former followers that the legal case had been concluded. During the month of August, the total amount of cryptocurrency that can be unlocked will increase to $1 as a result of the release of XRP tokens worth $600 million. Futures dealers who were trading $0.05 billion were taken aback by the price increase, which led to the removal of 40% more short positions than long bets in just 4 hours this month. And boost of 18 has occurred in the price of XRP, which is currently trading at 60 cents. This represents a nearly 4,040 increase. Judge Torres lowered the SEC's claim of $2 billion by 94% so that it is now less than $2 billion. According to a statement that was released by the chief executive officer of Ripple, this is a big victory for the market for digital assets. The value of XRP, which is the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has surged by an incredible 18 in the past 24 hours as a result of the orders that Judge and Alyssa Torres have issued regarding the remedies that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has requested. The digital asset industry is preparing for the possibility that both parties would file to appeal the verdict. Immediately after the ruling was handed down by the court, the price of XRP began a strong increase that eventually surpassed $0.50. There has been a price increase of more than 25%, and it is possible that it will continue to rise past the barrier level of $0.64. Initially, the price of XRP started to increase dramatically over the levels of $0.50 and $0.55. This was the beginning of the surge. Not only is the price trading higher than $0.58 at the moment, but it is also trading higher than the hourly simple moving average level of $0.01. The hourly chart of the XRP-US tier is showing the formation of a connecting bullish trend line with support around $0.52. This line is forming with support at $0.52. This information comes from Kraken, which is the source of the data. This pair has the potential to continue its upward trend if it is able to break through the resistance zone located at $0.64. After establishing a foundation at a price that is greater than 45 cents, the price of XRP starts a fresh wave of ascent. XRP's price started to rise significantly, eventually exceeding both Ethereum and Bitcoin in terms of pricing. In order for the price to be able to succeed in breaking through the resistance levels of 51 cents and 5 cents, it was able to climb by more than 25% and overcome various hurdles that were located near to the 60-cent level. 64 cents was the price at which the all-time high was reached, and the price has subsequently reversed some of the gains it had made. There was a change in the market that occurred below the level of $0.06. In the course of the upward movement that occurred between the swing low of $0.49 and the high of $0.64, the price fell below the 23 bond actually retracement level that had been established during the last upward ascendance. That being said, bulls are active around the vicinity of $0.58 at the moment. The simple moving average for the past 100 hours shows that it is still trading at a level that is higher than $0.60 currently. In the vicinity of the $0.62 level, the price is coming up against some challenges. The information regarding the price of XRP that was collected from TradingView.com's XRP-US indicates that the location of the first important hurdle is close to the level of $0.63. It is possible that $0.640 will be the next key obstacle to conquer. In the event that the price makes a decisive rally over the resistance level of $0.64, there is a possibility that it may go closer to the level of resistance at $0.65. When you get close to the level of 68 cents, you will find the next important challenge approaching. It is possible that the price will move closer to the level of resistance that is 70 cents or possibly 72 cents in the foreseeable future if there are any further advances. Is there consensus that dips are okay? In the event that XRP is unable to break through the resistance zone that is situated at 62 cents, a new downward trend may start emerging for the cryptocurrency. There is initial support on the downside that can be found close to the level of 60 cents. At the price of 58 cents, a substantial support level is observed. A downward break and a close below the $0.58 level might cause the price to continue falling down toward the $0.57 support, or the $0.55 BNX retracement level of the upward advance from the $0.49 swing low to the $0.64 high. This would be the case if the price continues to fall below the $0.58 level. This would suggest that the price is likely to continue its downward migration in the foreseeable future. There is yet another key support level that may be found at $0.54. When a federal judge in New York drew closer to concluding a 3-year securities lawsuit against Ripple Labs, executives are calling this a triumph for the industry. The action has been going on for 3 years. This resulted in a commensurate increase in the price of XRP, which jumped by 26% on account of the increase. A judge issued an order on August 7th that forced Ripple Labs to pay a civil penalty of $125 for violating United States securities laws. This decision was made as part of a case that was initiated by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). According to a report by Cointelegraph, the ruling appears to put Ripple's dispute with the SEC in its final stages. This is evident when one considers that the SEC initially filed the lawsuit in December of 2020. The majority of the losses that XRP had sustained as a consequence of the general downturn in the cryptocurrency market that began in August were recouped as a result of the revelation, which caused the cryptocurrency to experience a 26 and decrease to 63 cents. As of the time this article was written, the price of XRP on the market is currently $0.59 per unit. At the same time that executives at Ripple are celebrating a victory to the tune of $125 million, XRP is gaining 26. HE market cap has seen a 44% gain in the value of XRP over the course of the past 30 days. In a statement that was issued in an XPO-ish shortly after that, Brad Garlinghouse, the chief executive officer of Ripple Labs, made the following remark: "Both Ripple and the industry as a whole, as well as the rule of law, have won this battle. The restrictions that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) had been imposing on the whole XRP ecosystem have been lifted. At long last, the unfettered campaign that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has been pursuing against the US has come to a conclusion. This administration's assault against Bitcoin should finally come to an end, and let's all hope that this is the case." In a subsequent post on X, Chris Larsen, co-founder of Ripple Labs, stated that other cryptocurrency experts were as fascinated with the volatility of the price of XRP after the verdict was made. Larsen was referring to the fact that the price of XRP was high after the ruling was made. Ripple has achieved a significant advance as a result of this. Ripple has more than made that merely on the price change in XRP in the last 5 minutes, according to Fred Rispoli, a crypto lawyer and the founder of Hodl Law, who made this assertion in an X post on August 7th. However, Rispoli indicated that he was astonished by the amount, despite the fact that he was surprised by the impact of $125 million. According to a tweet that was sent out by Metal Mamen, a well-known attorney in the cryptocurrency business, the judge did not grant the request that the Securities and Exchange Commission made for $2 billion from the fintech company. On the social media platform X, which was formerly known as the final verdict, it is stipulated that Ripple is required to pay a civil penalty of $125 million for violations of securities laws that are related with institutional sales. Despite this, there will be no disgorgement of the substance. The verdict also includes a finding that includes an injunction that forbids Ripple from committing any other violations of Section 5 of the Securities Act. This injunction is contained in the ruling. That Ripple is capable of pushing the bounds of compliance was the primary focus of Judge Torres' attention. Consequently, the injunction was required in order to forestall any similar infractions that might occur in the future. As a consequence of the ruling, Ripple is obligated to provide a registration statement in order to offer securities in the future. It is anticipated that the Securities and Exchange Commission will submit an appeal against the verdict that was given down in July of 2023, which will take place after the issuance of this punishment. In order to continue, Ripple's fight is a struggle. In addition, Ripple's journey is not yet considered